Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on CKB. As in my earlier videos, I've been showing you that CKB has broken out different patterns on the 7 days time frame chart. First on the 7 days time frame chart, it broke out this big down channel, then a falling wedge pattern, and this was the breakout from another up channel. And this was my last video that I shared with you almost 6 days ago. And now recently, you can see that during this rally, the price end has formed another down channel. And recently you can see that the price in first got rejected by this long-term resistance zone that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents. And if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then we can see that previously this resistance zone had been breaking at a very strong resistance on here and here. And recently, when we had this very powerful rally, and that was, by the way, from this low to here, more than 1743% rally. The price line is once again rejected by this resistance zone and broke down this support of 2.5 cents that was previously working as a resistance here and resistance here as well. And now recently it has been breaking as a resistance here, and now again it can work as a resistance for the price line. And recently it has formed this down channel, and now it is moving at the resistance of this channel. And in today's video we will also analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup for Shiba Inu, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. For example, in this case, I shared this signal on 12th of March 2024, and you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button, and after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of CKB. And this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that since after 13th of April 2024, it is moving inside this another down channel. You can see we had a bounce here, rejection here, bounce, rejection, bounce, and another bounce here, and then we got stable touch points at the support, at the resistance. At the same time, the price line is also struggling to break out this red line. That is an exponential moving average 21 on the daily time frame chart, exactly moving at the resistance of this channel. So we need to break out two resistance levels here. One is the resistance of the EMA 21 on the daily time frame chart, and we will also need to break out the resistance of the channel. In case of another rejection by the resistance, it can drop down at the support of the channel, and it can test this long-term support of 1.4 cents and the support of the channel together. And in case of breaking out the resistance of the channel, the technical target for the breakout will be here at the top of the channel at 2.69 cents. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out this long-term resistance of 2.5 cents as well. Now, if we take a look at the 7 days time frame chart, then here on the weekly time frame chart, you can see that after getting rejected by this resistance, the price is testing the EMA 21 level as a support. On a daily time frame chart, you can see that EMA 21 is working as a resistance, and on a weekly time frame chart, EMA 21 is working as a support, and the price line has recently, you can see, has tested the support and geared up and trying to break out the resistance of this smaller down channel. And by the way, the targets that I've been telling you for all these breakouts, the target for the breakout from the wedge was here at the top of the wedge at almost at half cent, $0.0053, and we have already hit that target. We have already hit that target of this breakout from this up channel as well, and the target for the breakout from this down channel that I've been telling you even before breaking out this channel as well, that was here at the top of the channel, approximately at 3.5 cents, and you can see that the price has already hit that target as well, but still a very big resistance is there even after breaking out this big down channel and falling wedge pattern and an up channel. And despite this big rally, you can see that the price is still not able to break out this resistance. But now after breaking out the smaller down channel, I am expecting that soon it can try to break out this resistance. And once it will be able to break it out, then this previous resistance on that starts from 3.5 cents and goes to 4.5 cents will be flipped into a very strong and long-term support zone, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.